Struggling to run apps or games that demand AVX support? Don't worry. Enabling AVX in your BIOS on Windows 11 is easier than you think. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's guide, we will show you step by step through how to enable AVX or advanced vector extensions in your BIOS settings on Windows 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Download HWInfo. Before you begin, it's important to verify whether your system supports AVX or MVX instructions, as not all processors include this feature. The steps here will guide you through checking and enabling AVX or MVX on Windows 11. Open your browser and search for HWInfo. Click on the official site link. Scroll down and select Free Download. Choose the portable version. Make sure you download the correct version of your system. Click Local to start the download. Once the zip file is downloaded, open it. Extract all files to a folder. Locate the application file. Run the program and grant permissions when prompted. Select Full Mode and click Start. HWInfo will now display detailed information about your hardware. In HWInfo, look for AVX and AVX2 entries. If they appear in green, they are already enabled on your system. If they appear in grey, they are not enabled. Method 2. Enable AVX or MVX if disabled. If AVX is disabled, here is how you can enable it. Click the Windows icon and search for CMD. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Grant permission when asked. Press Enter. You should see the operation completed successfully. To disable it, open CMD as Administrator again. Enter the Disable command. Press Enter. You will see the same confirmation message indicating it has been disabled. And that's it. You now know how to enable AVX in BIOS on Windows 11. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tech solutions. Share your experience in the comments. Your tips might help others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.